If you are running a charcoal-making business, you might be facing several common troubles. Charcoal production output is low, charcoal quality is unstable, energy cost stays high, there is strict environmental pressure. You also need many workers to run production. Actually, the real problem is your old charcoal-making equipment and outdated solutions. They limit your output and eat up your profit. Today bring you our latest continuous carbonization solution. It effectively cuts your production cost and brings you stable long-term profits. First, high-efficiency charcoal-making process and high-quality charcoal products. Traditional batch-type carbonization requires you to stop, load, heat, cool, and repeat. It relies heavily on skilled workers and the daily output is greatly limited. And traditional equipment cannot control temperature steadily, which leads to uneven carbonization results. Fixed carbon content keeps fluctuating. The finished charcoal contains too much ash. Even with good raw materials, you cannot get high market prices. A continuous carbonization stove works the opposite way. It runs 24/7 non-stop with continuous feeding and discharge. That means you complete the carbonization process in a single pass and dramatically increase your output. Faster production, more charcoal, less waiting. Your finished charcoal reaches 85 to 95% fixed carbon content. Every batch keeps the same stable quality. You can steadily supply high-end markets and gain higher revenue. Second, eco-friendly and energy-saving. We all know that high fuel and electricity cost is the main profit killer of charcoal-making business. Here's the smart part: the gas produced during carbonization doesn't go to waste like traditional charcoal-making machines. Doing system captures, purifies, and recycles the combustible gas back as fuel to heat the furnace. You almost do not need extra fuel after equipment preheating. And the multi-layer heat preservation structure of biomass pyrolysis carbonization stove reduces heat loss. It improves thermal efficiency by 60%. It cuts your total energy consumption by 20 to 30%. Plus, our advanced exhaust treatment system meets international environmental standards. Our carbonization solution focuses on environmental safety from the start. It adopts full sealing anti-leakage technology. No smoke or dust escapes during operation. It matches professional flue gas purification equipment. All emission indexes meet international environmental standards, so you can turn biomass waste materials into profitable charcoal cleanly, safely, and legally. Third, high automation and labor cost saving. You don't need a big team to run this continuous charcoal production line. With an integrated PLC control system, you can monitor and adjust everything: feed rate, temperature, operation status in real time. Only 2 or 3 workers can manage the entire line. Automation means lower labor costs, higher safety, and consistent charcoal quality every batch. Fourth, wide applicability. Almost any biomass material can be used. Examples include coconut shells, palm shells, wood, straw, sawdust, bamboo, and even livestock manure. We do not sell fixed standard equipment only. We provide professional turnkey charcoal carbonization solutions. This makes Doing's continuous carbonization furnace an ideal choice for charcoal production or biomass energy projects worldwide. The charcoal making industry has changed a lot. Cheap equipment cannot bring you long-term profits. Successful projects rely on advanced, mature solutions. If you're planning to set up a charcoal production line or upgrade your current one, the continuous carbonization stove is definitely worth considering. Doing offers professional equipment and tailored support for projects worldwide. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on biomass to charcoal technology. See you next time.